The 2012 BMW 335i Coupe BT92 by Alpha N Performance. A standard BMW 335i Coupe delivers a total of 300 HP and a BMW M3 Coupe pushes out 420 HP. That's a pretty big difference between the two, but with the proper tuning package, that difference can be dwindled down to less than nothing. Alpha N Performance has managed to make the 335i even more powerful than the M3, delivering an impressive 450 HP, while also being 550 pounds lighter than the standard model. Starting with the exterior, the tuner added a pretty impressive kit with ultra-light material carbon components. It includes a new front bumper and an equally adjustable spoiler, a big rear diffuser, a new trunk lid with protrusive spoiler lip, and a huge, adjustable rear wing. The car sits on a new set of 19 inches wheels combined with a Mach high-performance braking system. The same skills were used to tweak the interior, as Alpha N Performance installed Recaro Pole Position carbon seats with full belt safety harness, a steel cage, and a performance steering wheel. Everything else in the car was ripped out to ensure weight optimization. Aside from that, the tuner's main focus was the 335i Coupe's 3.0-liter 6-inline engine. The extra 150 HP was achieved through an Alpha N engine kit that includes bigger turbochargers, adaptation of engine electronics, a completely new exhaust system, and an enlarged air-to-air intercooler. The last touch was provided through a reprogrammed EQ.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.